Hi, my name is Henry. Today feels like a wonderful day. I can't wait to play with my family.
Good morning, everyone. Eat well before we start our day.
Everything smells delicious, Mom.
Henry, we have a dentist appointment this afternoon.
The dentist? Dentist? Dad, do I really have to go?
Yes, buddy. The dentist only wants to help your teeth stay healthy.
Lily, I like the dentist. They gave me a sticker.
I don't want a sticker. I just want to stay home.
Sometimes we imagine things that are much scarier than they really are.
I hope you're right, Mom.
My teeth look fine, so why do I need a dentist? Mirror.
When I was little, I was scared too.
Really? What happened?
What if it hurts? What if something goes wrong?
I hope everything will be okay.
We're with you, Henry. You'll be just fine.
The clinic is getting closer. I still feel nervous.
We're here, Henry. Everything will be all right.
I'll try my best.
Welcome, Henry. We're happy to see you today.
Hello.
Hello, Henry. My name is Dr. Sarah. I'll take good care of you.
Nice to meet you.
Come inside, Henry. Let's look around together.
Okay.
I wish I didn't feel so scared.
You'll be okay.
This little mirror only helps me see your teeth.
It isn't scary at all.
Go ahead, Henry. Try the chair.
It's much softer than I expected.
May I count your teeth now?
Okay. I'm ready. Wow, the chair moves like a spaceship.
It sure does.
Feel the air first.
That tickles!
Now try the water.
It's cold, but funny.
1, 2, 3. Your teeth look very clean.
Really?
You have one tiny cavity, Henry.
Is it serious?
Don't worry, Henry. We found it very early.
So, it will be easy to fix?
I think I'm ready now.
We're proud of you, Henry.
If you need me to stop, just raise your hand.
Okay. That makes me feel better. These glasses look so cool.
They look perfect on you.
All finished, Henry.
That's it? It was much easier than I thought. Wow, my tooth looks perfect.
Your smile is healthy again. You're doing an amazing job.
It doesn't hurt like I imagined.
You earned this because you were very brave.
Thank you! I love it!
Brush every morning and every night.
I promise I will.
I want to keep my teeth healthy every day.
I'm so proud of you.
Next time, I won't be so afraid.
That's my brave boy.
I can't believe I was so scared.
You did an amazing job.
I have a dentist appointment next week.
I felt the same way before.
Healthy food helps strong teeth.
I'll choose the apple.
Just tell the dentist if you're scared.
I think I can do that.
You remembered all by yourself.
Healthy teeth are important now.